How to control camera in Roblox. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to control the in-game camera during gameplay in Roblox. You will see how to adjust the view, switch to first person, and create a smooth third-person camera, all using built-in settings. Let's go. Step 1. Open Start Player Settings. In Roblox, open the Explorer panel. First, find and click on Started Player. Then, in the Properties window, you will see the several camera-related settings that control how the camera behaves during gameplay. Step 2. Set the camera mode. Find the setting called Camera Mode. You have two main options. Classic lets player rotate the camera freely around the character. Lock First Person locks the player in first-person mode. If you want a first-person experience, like in a shooter game, choose Lock First Person. For regular third-person movement, leave it on Classic. Step 3. Change the camera type. This decides how the camera follows the player. The most useful options are Custom, Roblox handles it normally, good for most games. Follow, camera smoothly follows behind the player. Attach, camera sticks directly to the player's head. Step 4. Control Zoom. To control how far the camera can zoom, look for Camera Min Zoom Distance, Camera Max Zoom Distance. For example, setting both to 10 will lock the zoom at that distance. You can also let players zoom in and out by giving a range like 10 or 30. Step 5. Test the camera in-game. Click play to test your camera settings. Move your character and use the mouse scroll to zoom. And that's it. Now you know how to control the camera in Roblox during gameplay without any scripting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.